Hello, and welcome to our tutorial for the YuYang high-power motor controller for the iOS application version. First things first, you're going to need to download the application from the App Store. Once you do that, you can start the electronic door lock on the YuYang controller, then click on the app. A couple seconds after starting the electronic door lock, you can click on the cycle drive portion and click Connect in order to do so via Bluetooth. Once connected, you will be able to see the vehicle's speedometer and other information as you scroll down. It will display things like voltage, temperature, status, and other things as well. As you click on the Me section in the bottom right of the application, it will take you to the System Settings option. Once you're there, you can click on that feature and it will take you to different parts of the controller's settings. On that page, you can access different features as you can see on the screen. There's fast start, slow start, auto and manual cruise options. With the fast start, the way it works is the higher the number, the faster the car has the capability of going. The lower, the slower it can go. You can turn this feature on or off by sliding the little green indicator. The soft start works very similar and is also divided into 10 grades to display the start mode. The higher the number, the slower. The lower, the faster. There's also overdrive speed version, which on here you can find 10 magnetic overdrive grades, 10 being the fastest, 1 being the slowest. Here you're able to speed it up to 120 to 130% of the top speed, and the low speed ratio can be down between 10% to 80% of the original speed. You also have forward and reverse options on here as well. You can very easily click them on or off. Here's the adjustment speed function. Here you can adjust the speed between 30 to 60% of vehicle capability. Note that too low of a speed would affect the vehicle's torque. Here's the reverse speed limit function. Here you can adjust the speed between 10 to 100% of the vehicle's speed. Note that this also affects torque. This is the electronic braking system force. This affects the intensity range of the electronic bike's brakes. There are 10 grades here as well. As you return to the system settings menu, you see the battery current limit A, which adjusts the max output of the current to the battery. There's also phase current limit A, which adjusts the max phase current of the motor. You also have the Hall sensor phase angle. Here it's 120 or 60 degrees. The phase cannot be matched if you choose the wrong angle. There are also other modes on here as well. You have the Eco mode, which helps if you have a low battery or in need of some extra mileage. You have the Adjust Throttle Curve, which starts linear control and non-linear control shifting. This increases the ability to control the vehicle at a low speed. You also have Power Boost, which is a high power mode output. The torque increases by 20% and it will automatically shut off if the temperature of your motor controller exceeds 80 degrees Celsius. You can also restore the settings to factory settings. It also contains an anti-theft feature, which locks the motor so the vehicle cannot start again until it is turned on again via application. Here you can see the speedometer in action as I rotate the throttle in order to show you exactly how all the features work that I showed you at the beginning of the video. Now I will show you how to use the vehicle calibration feature. This feature cannot be used while the vehicle is in motion. The user is responsible for any illegal traffic behavior. There are 9 steps in order to successfully use the vehicle calibration feature. First, mark 5 meters distance of flat land and park the vehicle right next to the marker and start on a line 5 meters away from the starting marker. Then, open the app and make sure the Bluetooth pairing is still successful. Step 3. Turn on the calibration. Step 4. Click to obtain to get a value of the starting distance. Step 5. Move the vehicle along the marked 5-meter line and stand on it. Step 6. Click obtain to get a value of the end distance. Step 7. After that, a value will appear as conversion ratio. Step 8. Click apply. Step 9. If it is successful, then the value of the conversion ratio should be the same as the one you applied. The value of the conversion ratio should be 1 and -1000. If the appropriate value is not discerned, then value is not valid. Please try again until the ratio is 1 and -1000.